Welcome to the next new class and the next new session. This video is the continuation of part 2 of the chapter matrices. Okay? For getting continuity, watch my previous videos, part 1 and part 2. Link is mentioned in the description box. Now here we are moving to the next new problem session on the topic matrices. Okay? If A equal to matrix 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1. Show that A square minus 4A minus 5Y equal to 0. Once more, if A equal to matrix, first row 1 2 2, second row 2 1 2, third row 2 2 1. Show that A square minus 4A minus 5Y equal to 0. Okay, here we want to show that A square minus 4A minus 5Y equal to 0. A square minus 4A minus 5Y equal to 0. First we want to calculate A square. That is A square is equal to A into A. A into A. Okay. Here A is matrix 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. Write again A. That is 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. Okay. First we multiply first row with first column. Okay. That is 1 into 1. We get 1. 2 into 2. 4. Plus 2 into 2. 4. Okay. Then multiply first row with second column. Okay. Second column. That is 1 into 2. That is 2. Plus 2 into 1, that is 2. 2 into 2, that is 4. Okay. Next multiply first row with third column. Okay. Third column. That is 1 into 2 is 2. Plus 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 1 plus 2. Okay. Then take second row. Then take second row with first column. That is 2 into 1, that is 2, plus 1 into 2, 2, plus 2 into 2, 4. Okay. Next multiply second row with second column. Okay. Then 2 into 2 is 4, 1 into 1 plus 1, 2 into 2 plus 4. Okay. Next multiply second row with third column. Okay. Third column. That is 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 1 that is 2. Next we multiply third row with first column. Third row with first column. That is 2 into 1, 2 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus 2 into 1, 2. Okay. Next we multiply third row with second column. That is 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 1, 2. 1 into 2 plus 2. Next we multiply third row with third column. Okay. Next we multiply third row with third column. That is 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4 plus 4. 1 into 1 plus 1. Okay. That is equal to matrix. We can write 1 plus 4 plus 4. That is 8 plus 1, that is 9. Next 2 plus 2 plus 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Next 2 plus 4 plus 2, that is 8. Here 2 plus 2 plus 4, that is 8. 4 plus 1 plus 4, that is 9. 4 plus 2 plus 2, that is 8. Next here is 2 plus 4 plus 2, that is 8. 4 plus 2 plus 2, that is 8. 4 plus 4 plus 1, that is 9. Now we get the matrix 9, 8, 8, 8, 9, 8, 8, 8, 9. This is A square. Okay. Next we want to calculate 4A. That is 4 into A. Okay. 4A equal to 4 into. Here A is matrix 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. Then multiply with 4. We get 4 into 1. That is 4. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 2, 8. Next 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 2, 8. Next 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 1, 4. Multiply with each number by 4. Okay. Next we want to calculate 5i. 5 into I. I means the identity matrix. Okay. Here A is of order 3 by 3. Then we take identity matrix as order 3. That is 5 into. Identity matrix of order 3 is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Then multiply with 5. Then we get 5 into 1, that is 5. That 5 into 0, 0, 0, 0. 1 into 5, 5, 0, 0, 0, 5. Okay. Now we write a square minus 4a minus 5i equal to. Now we take a square minus 4a minus 5i equal to. Here a square is 9, 8, 8, 8, 9, 8, 8, 8, 9. Okay. Then minus 4a here is matrix 4, 8, 8, 8, 4, 8, 8, 8, 4. Okay. Next minus 5i here is 5, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, 5. Okay. That is equal to. First we subtract these two matrices. Okay. That is matrix. Here 9 minus 4 we get 5. 8 minus 8 we get 0. 8 minus 8 0. 8 minus 8 0. 9 minus 4 that is 5. 8 minus 8 0. 8 minus 8 here 0. 8 minus 8 that is 0. 9 minus 4 we get 5. Okay. Then write next term, that is matrix 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5. Okay. Then subtract. Next we subtract these two matrices, we get 0 matrix. That is 5 minus 5 0, 0 minus 0 0. Okay. Then we get 0 matrix 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. That means this is equal to 0. That means we get a square minus 4a minus 5i equal to 0. Therefore, a square minus 4a minus 5i equal to 0. Clear? Question is, find AB. AB means A into B. If A equal to matrix 6, 9, 2, 3 and B is equal to matrix 2, 6, 0, 7, 9, 8. Okay? Here we want to calculate AB. That is A into B. The order of A is 2 by 2. That is, it consists of 2 rows and 2 columns. Then its order is 2 by 2. Here in B, the order is 2 by 3. That means 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay. The order of B is 2 by 3. Here, number of columns of A equal to number of rows of B. Then we say that AB exists. Okay. AB equal to, here A is 6, 9, 2, 3. Okay. Then B is 2, 6, 0, 7, 9, 8. Okay. Then multiply. Now multiply first row with first column. We get matrix. Here 6 into 2, 12 plus 9 into 7, 63. Next we multiply first row with second column. We get 6 into 6, 36 plus 9 into 9, 81. Okay. Next we multiply first row with third column. That is 6 into 0, 0. 9 into 8, 72. Next we take second row with the first column. Okay. That is 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 7, 21 plus 21. Okay. Next we multiply with second column. That is 2 into 6, 12 plus 3 into 9, 27. Next we multiply third row with third column. Okay, that is 2 into 0, 0. 3 into 8, 24. Okay. Next adding this 12. Next adding 12 plus 63, we get 75. 36 plus 81, we get 170. 72. 4 plus 21, 25. 12 plus 27, 39. Then 24. Okay. If A equal to matrix first row 1, 1 minus 1, second row 2, 0, 3, third row 3 minus 1, 2. B equal to matrix first row 1, 3, second row 0, 2, third row negative 1, 4. And C is equal to matrix first row 1, 2, 3 minus 4, second row 2, 0 minus 2, 1. Show that AB into C equal to A into BC. Okay. Here we want to show that left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay. Left hand side equal to right hand side. First we take the left hand side AB into C. Okay. First we calculate AB. That is A into B. Here A is matrix 1, 1 minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 3 minus 1, 2. Okay. Then B is matrix 1, 3, 0, 2, minus 1, 4. Then multiply. First we take first row with first column. That is 1 into 1. We get 1. 1 into 0 plus 0. Then minus 1 into minus 1. That is 1 plus 1. Okay. Next we multiply first row with second column. That is 1 into 3. We get 3. 1 into 2. That is 2 plus 2. Then negative 1 into 4. That is negative 4. Next we multiply second row with first column. Okay. That is 2 into 1. We get 2. 0 into 0 plus 0. 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Okay. Next we multiply second row with second column. That is 2 into 3, 6. Plus 0 into 2, 0. 3 into 4 plus 12. Okay. Next we multiply third row with first column. Third row with first column. That is 3 into 1, 3. Negative 1 into 0 plus 0. 2 into negative 1, that is negative 2. Next we multiply third row with second column. That is 3 into 3, 9. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Next 2 into 4, that is plus 8. Clear? Equal to matrix 1 plus 1, 2. 3 plus 2, 5 minus 4, 1. 2 minus 3, minus 1. 6 plus 12, that is 18. 3 minus 2, 1. 9 minus 2, that is 7. 7 plus 8, that is 15. Okay. Now we get 2, 1, minus 1, 18, 1, 15. Now we get AB is equal to matrix 2, 1, minus 1, 18, 1, 15. Okay. Now we take AB into C equal to, here AB is matrix 2, 1, minus 1, 18, 1, 15. C is 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 0, minus 2, 1. Okay. Now multiply. First we multiply. First multiply with first row and first column. We get 2 into 1, that is 2. Plus 1 into 2, 2. 2 plus 2. First row with second column. That is 2 into 2, 4. Plus 0. Next we multiply first row with third column. That is 2 into 3, 6. Plus 1 into minus 2, that is 6 minus 2. Next we multiply first row with last column. That is 2 into 4 minus 4 minus 8 plus 1 into 1, that is plus 1. Next we multiply second row with first column. Okay, that is negative 1 into 1, negative 1. 18 into 2, that is 36 plus 36. Next we multiply second row with second column. That is negative 1 into 2, that is negative 2 plus 18 into 0 is 0. Next we multiply second row with third column, negative 3. 18 into minus 2, minus 36. Okay. Next we multiply second row with last column. Okay. That is negative 1 into negative 4 is 4. 18 into 1 is plus 18. Okay. Next we multiply third row with first column. That is 1 into 1, 1 plus 15 into 2, 30. Next we multiply last row with second column. That is 1 into 2, 2. 15 into 0, 0 plus 0. Okay. Next we multiply last row with third column. That is 1 into 3. We get 3. 15 into minus 2, minus 30. Okay. Next we multiply last row with last column. That is 1 into minus 4, minus 4. 15 into 1, 15 plus 15. Okay. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 0, 4. 6 minus 2, 4. Minus 8 plus 1, that is minus 7. Next is negative 1 plus 36, that is 35. Negative 2 plus 0, negative 2. Minus 3 minus 36, that is minus 39. 4 plus 18, 22. Next 30 plus 1, 31. 2 plus 0, 2. 3 minus 30, minus 27. Minus 4 plus 15, that is 11. Okay. Now we get AB into C equal to matrix 4, 4, 4, minus 7. Second row 35, minus 2, minus 39, 22. Third row 31, 2, minus 27, 11. Okay. Next we want to calculate A into BC. First we calculate BC. Okay. B into C. Here B is 1, 3, 0, 2, negative 1, 4. C is matrix 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 0, minus 2, 1. Okay. Take first row with first column. We 1 into 1, 1 plus 3 into 2, 6. Next we multiply first row with second column. That is 1 into 2, 2 plus 0. Okay. Next we multiply first row with third column. 1 into 3 is 3. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Next we multiply first row with last column. That is 1 into minus 4, minus 4. 3 into 1 plus 3. Okay. Next we multiply second row with first column. That is 0 into 1, that is 0. 2 into 2 plus 4. Next we multiply second row with second column. That is 0 into 2, 0. 2 into 0 plus 0. Next we multiply second row with third column. That is 0 into 3 is 0. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Similarly we find all the terms. Okay. That is equal to matrix. First one is 1 plus 6, 7. 2. 3 minus 6, minus 3. Minus 4 plus 3, that is minus 1. 4, 0, minus 4, 2. Here 7, minus 2, minus 11, 8. Okay. Next we write A into BC is equal to A here, then BC here. Then multiply. We get matrix. Multiply first row with first column. We get 7, 1 into 7, 7. 1 into 4 plus 4. Minus 1 into 7, that is minus 7. Next we multiply with second column. That is 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 0 plus 0. Negative 1 into negative 2 plus 2. Okay. Then we multiply third column. Okay. That is 1 into minus 3, minus 3. 1 into minus 4, minus 4. Negative 1 into minus 11 plus 11. Okay. Similarly, we can calculate all the terms. Okay. That is equal to matrix 4, 4, 4, minus 7. 35 minus 2 minus 39, 22. 31, 2 minus 27, 11. Here, AB into C equal to A into BC. Clear?